We believe that progress and transformation are possible only by aiming higher.
We believe that bold and futuristic architectural designs meet higher living experiences.
We believe in the philosophy of constantly raising the bar for a higher life.
Welcome to a world of futuristic living.
Welcome to Pride Altius. 2 and 3 BHK futuristic homes located on Tumkur Road, which is the booming infrastructure corridor and the fastest growing residential hub of Bengaluru. Pride Altius, where your dreams are taken on top of the world.
Premium high-rise lifestyle with 19 floors of quintessential luxury. Set amid spectacular views of the glittering cityscape. Situated in an exclusive close-knit community. Within walking distance from the metro station, with lightning speed connectivity to all the major locations of Bengaluru. With state-of-the-art amenities like landscaped garden, tree-lined walkways, leisure pavilion, clubhouse and more.